Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to clear paper jam errors in your Brother MFCL2730DW. This video will cover multiple models. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. This video will also cover several types of paper jam errors and allow you to clear the resulting error messages. Before working on your Brother machine, please allow it to run for 10 minutes to allow the fan to cool the internal parts. Handling internal parts while they are still hot may result in injury. We will begin by pulling the paper tray completely out of the machine. If there is jammed paper in the tray opening, remove it using both hands. Next, open the front cover. Remove the drum and toner assembly and place it onto clean flat surface. Placing scrap paper under your drum and toner is recommended. Jammed paper may be pulled out with the assembly or released for easy removal. Any paper still jammed inside the machine near the back of the opening should be removed through the back panel and will be addressed later in the video. Next, remove the toner cartridge from the drum unit by pressing the green lock lever. Carefully examine the drum for obstructions such as labels, tape, or ripped paper. Remove any obstructions found. Be careful not to touch the drum rollers during this process, as this can cause print quality problems. Then, reinstall the toner cartridge into the drum unit. Listen for the cartridge to lock into place. Leaving the front cover open, turn to the back of the machine and remove the two-sided tray. Check for any jammed paper under the machine and remove. Next, open the back cover. Verify that the green envelope levers are locked in the upward position. Then open the fuser cover by grabbing the blue levers on the left and right side and pulling them towards you. Remove any jammed paper in the fuser unit by gently pulling with both hands. Close the fuser cover. Now close the back cover. Replace the two-sided tray, ensuring it is placed firmly inside the machine. Next, reinstall the drum and toner assembly into the machine and close the front cover. Remove the paper from the paper tray and verify that the tray guides are set to the correct paper size. Check the paper for damage or irregularities that could prevent it from feeding properly. Also verify the weight and thickness of the paper. Follow the link on the screen for more information on paper specifications. Locate the white gears on the left side of the tray and rotate them, checking for gear damage and verifying that the metal plate raises and lowers as the gears are turned. If the gears are missing or damaged, the tray will need to be replaced. Reload the paper into the paper tray. Ensure the tray guides are not pushed too tightly against the paper, which can cause jamming. Also verify that the paper is not loaded above the maximum fill line. Now replace the paper tray inside the machine. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.